Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Since you all enjoyed last week's shortened video format so much, I thought I'd stick with that for this week as well. Today we're going to clean the downstairs in my home, which consists of my kitchen and my living room. My kitchen had lots of dishes to wash and put away, counters to be wiped down, and appliances to be cleaned. Jump right on into me cleaning and my husband being a huge goofball. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for watching. My name is Rynsmith and I live in South Carolina with my husband Matthew, my stepson David, my dog Socks, and my cat Ollie. So let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Whenever I do the dishes, I love to put on some music or watch a TV show. I find that it helps pass the time as I am doing my daily chores. Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along tonight. This video was recorded after work one day. I am currently a teacher at a middle school, and I was so tired after working that I just decided to give the counters a really quick wipe down, just with sponge and soapy water. Nothing crazy, no big deal. I just didn't feel like pulling out my Caldrea spray and really giving them a deep clean. I was just too tired for that today. I'm using the
garbage disposal cleaners that I mentioned a few videos ago. I bought them from Grove, and I'm still not super impressed with them, to be quite honest. They're okay, but I don't think they're any better than anything I've used before, and they're just okay. But here you can see I'm actually showing the packaging to my husband because I thought it looked really cool. And here you'll see, with the help of my wonderful husband, the nice clean kitchen.
I never listened, trying to prove it.
And now we are moving on to the weekend. Finally, it's the weekend. This is about 2 days later, and I am putting away the dishes that I washed, actually from the previous clip.
With you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime momos. We were in too deep in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's.
I start cleaning with the e-cloth, and as you can see with my dishwasher, there were a lot of random run lines, like water lines. I don't really know where those come from, honestly. There's not water running down the front of my dishwasher when it's washing, so the only thing I can think of is that maybe if my hands are wet when I close the dishwasher after putting dishes in there, maybe it's that water. But I don't really know. So I used the e-cloth and it did an okay job, but I thought maybe I was just being crazy and too nitpicky. So I decided to just keep using the e-cloth and move on to the fridge, which you can see is really gross. I start using the e-cloth, but it just isn't cleaning the way I want it to. So I decided to say, forget it. Let's throw it in the washer. I actually decided to try out the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner on my stainless appliances, and that really did the trick in lifting off all the gunk and dirt.
I like about you, I like you're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die.
See? Nice, shiny, clean appliances. That's what I was going for. I saved the trash can for last. I always save it for last just because I feel like the trash can is extra dirty. It holds garbage. So I saved that for last to wipe down and clean, and now this rag will be going into the washer immediately, along with all my other dirty rags that I've been using over the past couple of days. Moving right along, it is time for me to remove my couch covers and my recliner cover and give those a good wash. Socks did not want to move off of the couch, and I felt so bad making him move, so I decided to give him a little pets to make him feel better because he was so sad. Now, I have been slacking for about 2.5 weeks on using the Furminator on my living room furniture, and oh my god, it was so gross. There was so much fur. I hate when I slack off like that and I get that much fur. It just makes me feel so gross. look at all of that fur, and that came from just the recliner, the couch, and the sofa. It's just, that's crazy to me how much fur that is. And now it's time to vacuum the whole living room. Oh, there's Ollie.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste. Is really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you prefer this shorter style video or the longer style video. What I'm referring to is either the 15-minute, 10 to 15-minute videos or the 30-minute videos where I do a lot of cleaning. Please let me know in the comments below which one you prefer. It really helps me know what kind of content to make and what you guys like to see. I hope that you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Good luck cleaning, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I want you more. Oh, when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you.